Hi, my name is Kari, and in this video I'd like to go over our final in the series of videos on configurable fields. Now, as you know from other videos, configurable fields allow you to configure the information that you want to be presented to your users in the forms within data entry and within logs. So for the purposes of the demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and go into my log settings. So I'll select Settings, select the Logs tab. As you can see here, I've already created a log type called Configurable Fields Basic. So what I'm going to go over in this video are all of the configurable fields that we have that fall into the basic category. So what this video is going to go over are just those basic controls that you can find in almost any form. So as you can see down at the bottom of our log settings, we can enter all of the configurable fields. I've already gone ahead and added all of these so that I can just quickly show you how they each work. So the ones that we're going to go over today are a checkbox, latitude and longitude type, numeric, photo, tally, and text entry. Now all of these are options when you select Add Configurable Field and come into the drop-down list titled Type. So here you can see all of the different options you have when setting up those fields. Now the best way to show you how the configurable fields work is to take a look at the mobile application. So as you can see here, I have my iPad set up and I'm going to go into Logs and I'm going to select New to create a new log. I can select a customer from my drop-down list. And when I select the type, we'll choose the Configurable Fields Basic that we just reviewed on the web. Now once I've done that, you'll see down below that all of my configurable fields are displayed. Let's go back in actually and show this side by side. So if we look here, our working as expected is a checkbox. So here you can see on the mobile that you see the label and then a checkbox to indicate whether or not it is true or false. The next type is the latitude and longitude type. Now this label says please capture the GPS coordinates, and the way that this one works is you simply tap on the button and that is going to utilize the GPS functionality within your device and capture the current GPS coordinates of the device. So this is really great for those situations where you might be doing inspections or need to capture an accurate location of an event or anything along those lines and really get down to the specifics of where the device is at the time of data collection. The third type is a numeric control. Now you'll see here that the label is total deposit amount, and when I tap within the field, I am presented with a numeric keypad. So here I can come in and I can either enter in whole numbers or I can also do decimal numbers. In addition, you can also do negative numbers, and if you make a mistake, you can select the clear button. So I'll enter that value. The next field type is a photo type. As you can see here, we have our label, and then we have the ability to select the camera button. And since I'm on an iPad and I have a case on it, it's not going to work that great. But I'll go ahead and just take a photo anyway, and we'll just see a black screen. However, you can see that it did take the photo. One thing to note is that the photos are stored only within the application, so it's not going to be saving all of these photos that you take within your application to your device camera roll. So this really helps with security if you're taking sensitive photos and really want to keep that information contained within the application. The next type is a tally field type. Now this is similar to the numeric, but what this allows you to do is easily select the plus button or the minus button to simply tally the data up or down. So examples of this might be any situation where you need to add tick marks. So you're tracking the frequency of something. In this scenario, I'm doing a home inspection and I want to just enter the number of bedrooms. Now you can also tap within the control and it's going to bring up a keypad that allows you to enter in data as well. And then finally, we have a text entry control. What this allows you to do is simply go in and enter information in a text control. So for example, I can come in here and add the address. And it will just go ahead and save that information as a text field. So this control allows you to enter both numbers and letters and allows you to just do freeform text entry within the application. So I'm going to go ahead and save this record and synchronize. And now when we come back to our web application, we'll be able to see that information on the web. So when I come in here to the new log that we just created, you'll see here, working as expected, our checkbox, the GPS coordinates that were captured, the numeric information, our black photo, the data that was collected in the tally control, and also our text box. And you can see here that you have the ability to add much more information within the text control as well. So that's about it on all of our basic configurable fields. If you have any questions about this functionality or any of the other types of configurable fields that we have, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.